Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The way to make hamburger patties stick together without egg or anything else is to use ground beef with at least 80-20 ratio. Beef with a higher fat content should not fall apart when preparing your patties, as the fat helps with the natural binding process.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want a juicy hamburger, it helps to restore some of that lost moisture. The easiest way is to add water or some other liquid to the burger mixture. We've found that 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice-cold water mixed into a pound of ground beef greatly increases the juiciness of grilled burgers.
Take our lead.
Ramsay's patties consist of chuck, ground beef, and brisket. He combines the meats and binds them together with a touch of egg, which he recommends doing the day before grilling the burgers. Set them in the fridge so they don't fall apart while on the grill. 6 August 2019.
Take our lead.
If you add fillers like oats or breadcrumbs to your hamburger mixture, or want to add any bulky ingredients such as peppers or onions, the eggs are necessary to bind those ingredients. To help ensure the burgers stay together, avoid overhandling the meat and flipping the burgers more than necessary during cooking. 30 December 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.